everyone, it's me, Colin. Just coming back for one more message. Well, another one. Hopefully I'll put one out later today, this morning, which is May 2nd. Or actually, it's May 1st still. Okay. So here's the message. It's be yourself. Love yourself fully. I think I already mentioned that, but this one is just to be yourself. The term normal is completely subjective, so don't worry about trying to be normal or fit in, because being normal doesn't exist. Everyone's unique in their own way. For me, what's normal for me during the course of my day may not be normal for you. What's normal may not be what's normal for you during the course of your day and your life. So the most important message I can say is, well, not the most important, but one of the important messages is to be yourself. I heard a phrase that says, be yourself, everyone else is taken. Which is a really good phrase to say. Being yourself, you'll find, as soon as you accept yourself, no matter what it is, if you find yourself, if you're a gay man, or you're Jewish or Hindu, or from Russia or the US or from Brazil or whatever the case may be, the thing is to accept yourself fully, to accept who you are, and not only be proud of that, but not proud in like a bashful, arrogant kind of way, but be proud like, this is who I am and I love it. And that's the second part. Be proud of who you are, love it, and also to acknowledge that you may not like your past, but it's yours. You gotta accept that it is. It's helped transform you into the person that you are, which is amazing. And another important thing is, aside from accepting yourself, you really gotta know what your worth is. It took me a while to explore this, but I actually do know my worth. I know the worth of every human. And it's as of this. Imagine assigning a worth to God, if you believe in God. If you don't, then just imagine this as a thought experiment. Imagine assigning an actual worth to God. Some people would say that's impossible. There's no calculable way to actually assign worth to him or her or whatever. There's no way to assign worth to that kind of being. Not even an infinite number of universes would be enough to equal up to its worth. Well, I feel the exact same way about every human being on Earth. Call me pro-life, call me a lover of everyone else, but I know the worth of everyone here. And I know that self-acceptance, self-love, self-appreciation is important. Not self-actualization in the way you think about it. Self-acceptance, self-love, and self-respect are various things that you need to accept about yourself, that you need to apply to yourself, that you need to embrace fully about yourself, and apply to yourself in every aspect. So, the self-love, the self-acceptance, all of that you need to apply to yourself and your life in order to feel a sense of, in order to know your worth, increase your joy, increase your vibes. It just makes living a lot better. You'll start saying to yourself, as I have this morning at work, I was like, it feels so good to be alive, this is awesome. I could feel my positive joy, I could feel the positivity radiating around me. And I'm pretty sure it was contagious to everyone around me, to my fellow coworkers. Because I accept myself, I love where I'm at in my life. I've accepted where I've been in my life. I accept this is who I am and where I've been. I've accepted my past, that happened, but now I can focus on the present moment right now. Focus on improving myself, loving myself even more through meditation, exploring my subconscious to work out my inner problems. So more like inner work, self-evaluation, but more for the purposes of self-love. So basically, I'm trying to love myself more and accept myself more. That's the main point of that little, what I was trying to say. Apply this to yourself. Instead of thinking of how worthless you are, try to conceive of methods in which you can improve your self-love, your self-acceptance. Because loving others really does start with yourself. Loving others fully. And that's what we need, and that's what I'm trying to spread with this channel. So, I encourage all of you out there, search yourself, really do some deep digging, and really continue every day striving for full 100% self-love and self-acceptance, and you will find that your life can change dramatically for the better. You're happier, you're better, you feel more energized. Or, or I know that you will eventually choke up. There's going to be hardships, there's going to be struggles. There's going to be days when you feel like this is just not working out. You need to power through them. And you know that you can come to me, my brothers and sisters, you can come to me, and I will help you power through. I can offer words of encouragement and advice on what's helped me out through my journey so far. So thank you for watching. I'm glad I could spend time with you guys, and vice versa. And I will see you later on this morning with another video. Thank you very much. And goodbye.